My name is Susan Meisner. When I wrote my first book in 2003, I didn't know anybody in the publishing industry and nobody knew me. I didn't have an agent, I didn't have a network of colleagues, I hadn't been to any writers' conferences. I knew I needed a venue where publishers could see my proposal, a venue that they trusted and that I could trust. I found ChristianManuscriptSubmissions.com in the Christian Writers Market Guide, and I knew that was a place that I could go to. I posted my proposal there, and within 6 months, a senior editor at Harvest House Publishers found my proposal and emailed me to see the full manuscript, and a couple months later I got my first contract. I have since been published 14 times. I feel like it was the perfect place for me to have my writing career launch since I had so few options available to me. I was living in a rural part of the United States, and it seems like at the time that it was hard for me to get out into the mainstream of the industry and have those key appointments. The good thing about CMS is that they've stayed current with the industry. They've got great resources to help you navigate all your options: self-publishing, partner publishing, traditional ebook publishing, print on demand, and they have a great list of writers' conferences so that you can find out the nearest ones where you're going to be, which is still the best way to meet editors face to face. You never know how God's going to launch your writing career. This is how mine was launched, through CMS.